Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys the top 5 foods that will help clear your skin. These are the best foods for not only acne-prone skin, but also for getting that glow from within. And before we get started, if you're new here, I just want to say hi. I'm a media pharmacist, and on this channel we talk about all things skin and beauty related. So make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on any of our future videos. Also, please give this video a like if you find it helpful or share it with someone who might need it. Now, without further ado, let's get straight into it. Number 1 is salmon. Salmon is one of the best foods for your skin because it contains a high amount of omega-3 fatty acids. These fatty acids are great for maintaining the health of your skin, and it also helps with skin hydration and skin barrier function. It also contains a good amount of protein, which is great for collagen synthesis and elastin, and it also has a good amount of selenium, which helps with repairing damaged skin tissue. Now, when choosing salmon, try to go for wild-caught instead of farmed because they contain higher levels of omega-3s compared to the farmed ones. You can eat salmon up to twice a week. You can have it grilled, baked, or pan-seared. Just avoid frying it because that can cause more harm than good because of the high fat content in it. You can have it with brown rice and steamed vegetables for a complete meal. Number 2 is avocados. I'm sure you didn't expect this one, but avocados are super good for your skin because they contain a high amount of healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals. The healthy fats in avocados help to lock in moisture into your skin and keep it hydrated. They also contain vitamin E, which is a powerful antioxidant that protects the skin from free radicals and also promotes skin turnover. This is why avocados are great for acne-prone skin and also for getting that glow from within. Avocados also contain a good amount of potassium, which improves blood circulation and that in turn delivers oxygen and nutrients to your skin cells, promoting a healthy and youthful complexion. You can eat avocados either in salads or as a spread. Just make sure that you don't add too much salt to it. Number 3 is sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are a great source of vitamin A, which is essential for maintaining healthy skin. Vitamin A promotes skin turnover and also prevents clogged pores. It also contains a good amount of beta-carotene, which is a powerful antioxidant that protects the skin from sun damage. Sweet potatoes also contain vitamin C, which is another powerful antioxidant that brightens the skin and fades dark spots. And it also has fiber and complex carbohydrates, which provides long-lasting energy to the body. You can have sweet potatoes baked, boiled, or mashed. But if you want to get the most out of it, then you can have it in a salad with other vegetables and a protein source like chicken or fish. Number 4 is bell peppers. Bell peppers come in different colors, ranging from green to yellow to orange and red. All the colors are good, but the red ones are the best because they have the highest amount of nutrients. They are a great source of vitamin C, which, as I've mentioned before, is an antioxidant that brightens the skin and fades dark spots. They are also a good source of vitamin A, which promotes skin turnover and prevents clogged pores. Bell peppers also contain a good amount of B vitamins, which improve blood circulation and that in turn delivers oxygen and nutrients to the skin cells. And they also have a good amount of potassium, which reduces puffiness and inflammation in the body, including the face. You can eat bell peppers raw in salads or as a snack, or you can cook them and add them to soups or stews. Number 5 is chia seeds. Chia seeds are a superfood that contains a high amount of alpha-hydroxy acids. These acids are great for exfoliating the skin and promoting skin turnover. They are also a good source of fiber, which helps to keep your bowel movements regular, and that in turn improves your skin health. Chia seeds also contain a good amount of omega-3 fatty acids, which, as I've mentioned before, are great for maintaining the health of your skin, and it also helps with skin hydration and skin barrier function. You can sprinkle chia seeds in your breakfast cereals, or you can soak them in milk or yogurt and have them either with or without honey. If you want to know the top 5 foods that you should avoid if you have acne-prone skin, then click here. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.